Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the A to Z movie box app to your Hisense smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe for more important videos like this. So if you have a Hisense smart TV, here's how it should look like, and here's how to install A to Z application. So I'll start by verifying to make sure the application is not yet installed. Now I'll cover to my app store, which is going to be the same on any Hisense smart TV. If you have a Hisense smart TV and it doesn't have an app store like this, they are using the fake app store. So here's the application over here, A to Z. But if for some reason you don't have found it in the future here, what you have to do, just go over here and search for application. Just go over here and type A to Z. So A to Z, T O, A to Z, or A to Y, as a francophone or a French speaking person will say, and search. And here's the application A to Z movie box. Click on it once. Then you can read the information about the application. Then just go ahead and launch or install to your Hisense smart TV. They choose where to place it and you're good to go. The application is installed already. You can launch it and watch content without any problem. So that's it about the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.